Hey gang, Fast Eddie here. So I started this video out on a live feed, but it's a mortise lock, and we're just in the middle of tearing it down, so let's take a look at it. Well, you got me. I don't see any. There's a culprit. It's a broken spring. Problem is what to do now. I'll have to possibly replace it. Looks like it broke off right there. Well, let's see what we can do.
Okay, folks. So unfortunately, I had to quit. I left the lock out of the door, and the customer needs to find a replacement mortise lock. Here in Minnesota, wholesalers do not sell old mortise locks like that. Antique stores do. Since I have such a busy schedule, I leave it up to the customer all the time to go find the mechanism for themselves. And once they get it, they call me back and I come back and replace the lock. During the meantime, they put a 2x4 in between the entry and the door so nobody can break in. But typically that's what happens. And usually the customer does find the mechanism. Here in town, there's a place called Architectural Antiques. It's an antique store. They have a massive room full of lock fixtures, knobs, this and that. But yeah, you can go in there and probably find what you're looking for. And I always tell them to ask for Ian. Ian is one of the guys there that manages that department. He's really good with the locks. So he tends to find the lock that they need right away. So there's a good possibility I'll be back here tomorrow morning to install the new one. Now it's true that some customers will ask us to re-retro the door so it works with modern locks. But old locks like these have a lot of character on these old homes, and they really do want them. A brand new version of a mortise lock set like this is probably around $2,400 brand new. And they're not quite worth it. Seems like they always break too. But these old locks will last 100 years before there's any problems. Once in a blue moon, I can take it apart, look to see what's wrong in there. I can get rid of an aspect of the mortise lock that would allow the lock to continue working, or put a part back in place that actually makes it work. But I don't carry parts around like that. There's just not enough room in the truck for that stuff. I'm sure she'll find it, and I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll reinstall it. Well, this is Fast Eddie from Fast Eddie's Keys Express. You guys have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.